This is how I would start the session. So segment one. Hi everybody. My name is Shamir. How's everyone feeling today? Good. Nervous. Okay, that's fair. Feeling good. Okay, good. So I like to go around the room and just everyone just introduce yourself and just tell me how you feel about starting family therapy. Okay. Oh yes, Miss Jennifer. Very nice to meet you. I believe I spoke with you to schedule the session. Yes, I get it. I understand how, therapy can make you a bit nervous. It's scary to, share your family business with someone that you don't know. So I understand. Trust me, I get it. Okay. Mr. Bill, nice to meet you. And how are you feeling about, starting therapy? Yeah, I get it. You're a little, you don't know, but you're here for your family. That's great. I'm glad that you decided to come and be a part of this with your family. So that's the first step, to just even be here. Timmy, nice to meet you. You feeling okay about being here? All right. And how are you? Oh, 17? Okay. Oh, that's a cool age. All right. And Ashley, you're feeling a little bit all right? Okay. Okay. So, and I read that you were recently in an inpatient setting, so okay, you kind of know how, the therapy works and okay, so it's just a little different this time, actually being in a session with your family as opposed to being like in group with your peers. Okay, cool. So, well, it's nice to meet you all, and I'm glad that, you guys are here so that we can work through some of the issues that, you guys may be having just to strengthen, the family as a unit. For segment two, just to interrupt a disagreement or an argument. Okay, guys, hold on 1 second. Now let's everybody just calm down, take a breath, and let's speak one at a time to each other. It's okay to have a disagreement. You're not always going to agree on everything. It's okay to have a difference of opinion. However, let's treat each other with respect, and let's speak one at a time. And each person can voice their opinion or voice their concern without talking over top of each other. It's very important that you listen to each other and then you respond accordingly. So let's talk one at a time. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you. And then segment three to end the session. I just want to thank you guys for showing up today. I know it's difficult, as I said in the beginning, to discuss your family business in front of everyone, well, in front of a stranger, and of course in front of each other. It could be difficult because you don't want to hurt each other's feelings. You don't know how the other person's going to react, and you're not sure how, it will spill over when you guys go home. I just ask that when you do go home, you guys focus on each other as a family and, try not to allow the session to have a negative impact on the way you guys, communicate as a unit at home. Because these sessions are not intended to make you guys dislike each other, be mad at each other. These sessions are intended to strengthen, the family unit, strengthen communication, help you guys to build coping skills and just build a strong family foundation. And so for homework assignment, I want you guys to keep a log of your feelings. So each day, I want you to take a few minutes and just jot down like how you're feeling and why you feel that way. So for example, you know, um, if one of you had a rough day at school, just jot down, what happened at school that day, what made it rough. Mom and dad, if you feel like, work was a little bit difficult, what made you feel that way? What made work difficult? Or what made, a situation or an argument or a conversation you guys had difficult? And I want you to just keep a log of your feelings, and that will in turn help you identify your triggers and your stressors, and then we can discuss that during the next session. Okay, everybody okay with that? All right, so it was very nice to meet you guys, and then I will see you guys next week.